on, guys? Thank you for tuning in again. I wanted to film today a go shopping with me vlog. So I actually wanted to lean on to the vlogging side of YouTube a bit. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. You guys are gonna join me for a few errands that I have to run. I have a holiday party on Saturday, so I completely ran out of my foundation and my powder, and I'm actually not going to the mall. I'm going to Ulta. So Ulta now has Morphe, in case you didn't know, and that's the foundation that I use, but the powder I use is Kat Von D. So they don't have that, not that I know of. So we're gonna find out. And first things first, I am going to get a stand for my car. This is for your car. What the hell is that? What I want, but I don't like it because you gotta like plug it in to the car, and my plug is all the way down, so you're probably gonna see me like, and I don't want that. Okay guys, so I found the one that I want. This one you can put it on the dashboard or on the mirror, on the window, not the mirror. Guys, the faces that I'm getting as I'm recording here is all like weird, but it's all right. God, it's so hot outside. I took off my flannel. Forget Christmas. Okay, I think like this would be fine. Oh, look at that. Okay, now we talking. Okay, I see you, Walmart. Okay, we're gonna put my phone there and see. Oh my god, it just fell. No. All right guys, so when I go to Ulta, it's like war. I gotta go in, get what I need, get out as fast as possible. Oh, shenanigans. I went through the wrong place. So we're back on the road because the lady at Ulta treated me like crap. Absolute crap. I've never been treated so bad at a makeup store. I love makeup. Why you do that, girl? But it's alright. I'm on my way to Dayland Mall to get my Fluidity foundation from Morphe, from the actual store Morphe, where they're beautiful and kind and so awesome to help you with things. The lady at Ulta, I went to the Morphe section and I looked for my foundation, and then I saw the used sample bottle, but there was no boxes behind it. So I go to her and I was like, hey, I'm sorry, is there any more boxes of the foundation so and so? And she was like, if you don't see it there, then it's not there. I'm like, can you check? And she was like, but if you don't see it there, it's not there. And I'm like, I know, but can you check? So she rolled her eyes at me, called another customer service rep to help me, and she was kind enough. I've seen her face before. She's helped me before. She's super cool. I should get her name. And she spoke on the microphone. Hey guys, was this the last stock that we had for Morphe? And everybody's like, yeah, we already stocked up, so if it's not there, then you know we're completely out. So the fact that she tried was helpful, because the other lady was just straight up attitude from the very beginning. But it's all good. I could have bought my baking powder there and decided not to, because if I'm gonna be treated so bad, then might as well give my money to people that treat me nice. So I'll be getting my foundation at Morphe and my powder at Sephora. So Morphe changed my life, because the people at Morphe are so nice, and there's a girl there that she's been working there like I think since it opened, and she's a sweetheart. And she actually told me that they had buy 2 lipsticks for $15, and after trying out several, I bought 2 and they were $15. So I got my foundation, my baking powder, and 2 lipsticks, 4 things in total, and it was like not even $50, which is pretty great for makeup. So I'm really happy with my purchases. Got everything at Morphe. So if you don't know about Morphe products, go ahead and check them out. Definitely a win. So all in all, guys, that's all for today. I'm gonna show you guys the products once I get home. So as promised, I'm gonna show you guys what I got at Morphe. So I got my foundation, which I had originally gone to Ulta to, and this is my shade. It's pretty light. I'm pretty white. I also got this baking powder. So this is Bake and Set, so setting powder from Morphe. Never tried it. I'll probably do a tutorial with this. And I also got 2 lipsticks. I got, this one is Peanuts, and then this one is, what is this? Oh, Hot Shot. So that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for running those errands with me. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Comment below if you would like for me to do a room tour. So I'd be very excited to show you guys my room and how far it's come. I have a vanity, which I've always wanted, and I'd really like to show you guys and tell you guys where I get things from. So if you want to see that, go ahead and comment below. Like always, remember to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like these, and thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.